welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful like honey yellow colored makeup look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you know when I post next. And yeah, let's begin. Alrighty, so for this makeup look, we're going to be using the Uh-Huh Honey eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. Yes, that's the name. And for the first step, we're going to be applying this beautiful, kind of like a deep yellow color called Oh Behave. Yes, Oh Behave. And we're going to be using a medium-sized fluffy brush, also known as a crease brush, to apply this color all over our crease, or the crease of our eyes. I just wanted to quickly jump in here and say welcome or welcome back again to my channel. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns or suggestions, please do not hesitate to comment that down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply. For the next step, we're going to be taking this kind of soft brown. It really comes out more of like a soft brown yellow undertone color. It's called Buzzkill. I really do like these names. Obviously, it's meant to go with the theme of a bee. But anyways, we're going to be using, like I said, this color called Buzzkill, and we're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this to the outer V or outer corner of our eyelids. It is important to note also that you see me here kind of drag it in a bit more to about halfway down the eyelid, just to make sure that I can blend this out with the other colors that we're going to be applying soon enough. Quick tip. Here you see me I usually use like the back part of my Falsies eyelashes case. Here it's like cardstock paper. Really you can use like a note card or like a post-it note if you fold it in half. You see me here apply it right underneath my eye. I'm just holding it to catch any of the fallout, or it really does collect the fallout, because in my case I apply my eyeshadow after I've already applied my foundation. Next step, it's time to blend. I'll say it again for the people in the back. It's time to blend. Now, if you've seen any of my videos before, then you know that this is an important step, that you cannot miss it. I do not care if it takes you 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes, maybe even an hour. Depends how slow you want to work. But either way, you have to blend this out. You have to blend the two colors together, Buzzkill and Oh Behave. In this case here, I'm using a medium-sized fluffy brush, the same one that I used at the beginning, again, to mix these two colors together. For the third step, we're going to be applying this beautiful light yellow kind of champagne color that you see here. It's called Sunburst, S-U-M, Sunburst. And we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this all over the main part of our lids. So from the inner corner to about a little more than halfway of the eyelid. It is important to note that you do not need any setting spray for any sort of like ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. I never find it needed. It applies on well, compactly, and it's definitely pigmented. Please note that on the palette, I feel like it looks a bit more champagne-y, but when you apply it onto the eye, it really applies on more of like a yellow kind of a mixture of champagne and like a highlighter. So it's really nice. You already know blending is key. I'm going to say it again. Please do not skip this step. Please make sure to blend out now all of these colors. So some, burst, buzz, kill, and oh, behave. For the last step, we're going to apply the same color, some burst, again S-U-M, some burst, with the same small flat brush, but we're going to be using the tip of the brush, and we're going to apply this to this lower lash line. In some cases, you may, you'll see me kind of redo what I did on the top part of the lid to the bottom, like lower lash line, but in this case I really wanted this color to stand out more so again I only used this color, but you're more than welcome to mix or to apply what you did to the top to the bottom as well. And this is the final look, quick and easy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you guys like this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Hit that bell button, of course. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. God bless. Kisses. Bye.